In this video, I will show you a problem with iOS 26 and the Notes app. So in iOS 26, you have these really interesting effects like glass. So everything seems like glass because they call it liquid glass, this new user interface. And everything is really transparent. And they also made lots of changes which are better. The speed of the iPhone is much better, I believe. The animations are faster. This is iPhone 16 Pro Max, and on iOS 18.5 it was pretty slow. Animations were very slow, but now it's really the animations, they are much better. And I have the Notes app here, I have it open, and I wanted to show you the problem I have with the Notes app. So I want to select text, and for example, I could select this paragraph here, and I could select more parts here. For example, I could select some text here. This is the description of one of the videos, and I could do it like this. I select the paragraph, or I could do it like this. I could do a triple tap, select the whole paragraph. Again, triple tap, select the whole paragraph. But if I want to select all the text in this note, I do a one tap and then it shows me select, and I have to press the arrow to do a select all. So that's before. It was, from what I remember, I'm not sure if it was really like this, but I remember selecting text and it was here. It was all here. Maybe there is an option to change this setting, which options are being shown in this menu. Let me know in the comments section below if you have a solution for this. Maybe in the settings somewhere. I have to check. Maybe I will check right now. So what I do, if I want to select all the text, I open this menu, the select menu. You see it's like glass. And then, so I press once, then the menu to expand the menu and select all. And now I can copy. This is what I do now. So if I want to select the whole paragraph, it's okay. I can do triple tap and it's working. But the whole text, it's a little bit of an extra step. I want to see here in the Notes app. So let's see for the Notes app what settings we have. And mention notification. Okay. Yeah, I don't seem to find an option. Maybe they will change this. Maybe they will add an option to customize the Notes app to include some specific things here, because it's nice to be able to have select all here like that. That's it about the Notes. This is a problem I have with the Notes. This is the problem I have with the Notes app in iOS 26. Maybe for you it's okay, but for me, I prefer to have the select all easier in the first menu, not to have to open a second menu. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you and me to get the notes changed to show select all in the first menu. Thanks for watching. I said it the first time. Okay.